the court has observed that Mr. Kejriwal has already undergone substantial amount of incarceration and therefore directed his immediate release in the Enforcement Directorate case.
This is a victory. This is a great judgment, and it is a very historical judgment.
Honorable Supreme Court bench has pronounced its judgment. We obviously don't have a copy of the detailed judgment yet, which will be uploaded in the course of the day. I am just giving a briefing based on what the court observed during the oral reading out of parts of the judgment. The court has examined aspects of section 19 of requirement of arrest under the PMLA. There were certain legal issues which arose from that, which especially in the context of whether there is a requirement of necessity of arrest in addition to the requirement of section 19 which are stipulated in that section. Those aspects the court has referred to a larger bench, and that outcome we'll have to await. However, in the interim, the court has observed that Mr. Kejriwal has already undergone substantial amount of incarceration and therefore directed his immediate release in the Enforcement Directorate case. And therefore, insofar as his arrest under Enforcement Directorate is concerned, it has been directed that he should be immediately released. Now that obviously in normal circumstances would have meant that he would be released from jail immediately. However, after the trial court had granted, the vacation bench of the trial court had granted him bail, the CBI had also arrested him. Therefore, he's also been arrested by CBI in a separate, although connected case, but that's technically a separate case. Mr. Kejriwal has initiated proceedings against that also. That is pending and coming before High Court on 17th. So depending on the outcome of the CBI case, his actual release from jail will depend on that. But insofar as ED is concerned, he is no more required to be in custody as per the Supreme Court order in the ED matter.
The justice has been done by Supreme Court today. Arvind Kejriwal ji has been granted interim bail by Supreme Court today, and he has been granted interim bail, and the matter has been referred to the larger bench on the issue of whether the arrest was needed or not needed, and about the section 19 interpretation, etc. The matter has been referred to the larger bench. The CBI bail is still pending, so until or unless he was granted bail in that, he will remain in custody till that time.